with me, Miss Nika. Today we are going to learn about bird. Do you know what animal sound is this? Yes, good job friends. This is bird. Bird is an animal with feather, beak, tail, and wings. Birds can fly high using their wings. They live on a tree or nest. As a pet, bird lives in the cage at home. Do you know friends, what do they eat? They eat fruits, insects, and seeds. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. They use their wings to protect themselves from bad weather. Now let's see together kinds of birds.
The most popular pet birds. Domestic canary, painted bunting, cockatiel, monk parakeet, rosy-faced lovebird, blue-headed parrot, Senegal parrot, orange-winged parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. When mother bird said, tweet, 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 only 4 birds came to the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4 little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. When mother bird said, tweet, 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 only 3 birds came to the tree. 1, 2, 3 little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. When mother bird said, tweet, 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 only 2 birds came to the tree. 1, 2 little birds went flying one day over the hills and far away. When mother bird said, tweet, 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 only 1 bird came to the tree. 1 little bird went flying one day over the hills and far away. When mother bird said, tweet, 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 no little birds came to the tree. Sad mother bird went flying one day over the hills and far away. When Papa bird said, tweet, all the birds came flying to the tree.
Remember friends, make sure that you treat pets and all other animals with kindness. For example, don't forget to feed them every day. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.